Every year, we work with hundreds of small businesses to help sort their financial issues. Now, we take them from instability to financial sustainability, but even more importantly, to wealth growth. Now, a key aspect of this work is teaching people in detail the 5 critical financial success skills. These are managing money, saving money, creating money, spending money, and giving. And what we find with most people is they have actually, maybe at school or something, been taught a bit about managing or saving money. Although even how that's taught in the schools isn't correct. However, the skill of creating money is something that nobody's been taught. And this is vital, especially if you're running and growing a small business. And we've been asked over and over again if we would run a workshop just on this, creating money. So we've thought, well, yeah, let's give it a go. So we're going to do this on the 6th of December. We're going to run a workshop specifically on the skill of creating money. On that day, we'll dig deep into how money really works, exactly what people who are brilliant at creating money do, and how they work their money and how they work their other resources to create more. And we're also going to look at exactly what you need to do with what you have so you can create more money for yourself. Now, if you're interested in coming along on that day, do click on the link below, and that's how to book up. And on that day, you'll get a copy of our book, The 4 Money Mindsets, our best-selling money book. Lunch will be provided, and the new information and the exercises we'll do will be amazing. It's going to be a game changer of a day.